Hey everyone, I found a cool new tool for making videos. It's called Morph Studio, and it offers various video styles and is super simple to use. To get started, just open your browser and search for Morph Studio. Click on the link and log in with your Google account. After logging in, you'll get 120 credits. To create a new video, click on Create New, select the aspect ratio, and click Create. Let's start with text-to-video generation. In the prompt box, write the prompt you want for your image, such as a boy walking through a market street in an ancient city, and add the style you prefer. After entering your prompt, you can choose the video generation model, camera setting, duration, up to 10 seconds, and motion intensity. Once you've selected all the options, hit the button to generate the video. When the video is ready, you'll notice the high-quality output. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can regenerate it. If you forget to add the style, you can do it later by clicking on Style Transfer. To do this, click on the paperclip button to upload your images. After uploading, use the motion brush feature by clicking on the blue button. Use the pen tool to cover the area that you want to be moving in the video, then click on Save. Select the generation model, camera setting, and duration, then hit the Generate button. Now, you might be wondering how you can make money with this tool. The answer is by creating shorts and TikTok videos because people love this type of content. In this video, I showed you an Instagram account where the creator has thousands of followers. He only makes videos by adding a little motion and background music using a tool that's completely free. You can watch that video for inspiration.